put our hands together in thanksgiving to God for enabling the wish of Chief Justice Martha Koome to come to fruition, and for welcoming Chief Justice Martha Koome to the judiciary of Kenya on this 24th day of May 2021. Thank you very much. You may now be seated.
May I ask the Honorable, the Deputy Chief Justice, to come back and prepare to hand over the instruments of power alongside the report on the state of the judiciary.
Yes, the first to be handed over is the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya 2010, which the Deputy Chief Justice is handing over. As we've always said, this is one of the 3 original copies of the Constitution that was signed by President Mwai Kibaki during the promulgation of the Constitution. So, Constitution of Kenya 2010, which, as the DCJ has indicated, will be the DCJ's true north in discharging her functions. Thank you. The second instrument to be handed over is the judiciary flag, which has green and gold in it. That is the judiciary flag. Let's give a round of applause. The next is a report of the Chief Justice on the state of the judiciary as of May.
The status of the judiciary as of 31st January.
This is the one, the report that the retired CJ David Maraga presented to the acting CJ then on the state of the judiciary as of January 2021 when he retired. The last one is the state of the judiciary as of 24th May 2021, prepared by the acting Chief Justice, Deputy Chief Justice, Lady Justice Philomena Mwilu. So you can see that the leadership of the judiciary is highly accountable in terms of its performance. You can resume your seats.